Sorry, I don't know. Do you see my feet? Huh? You see them? They're 4.5 light nanoseconds. They're 5 to 6 light nanoseconds away from my feet. Actually, I'm only 10 years old. So yeah, there's 3 to 5 light nanoseconds away from my eyes. And that means that when I'm looking at my feet, I'm looking at that they look like 4 to 6 light nanoseconds ago. But it's still pretty much in sync because, Also, look at me. I'm about the camera is about 2 light nanoseconds away from my face. So really, I'm not quite in sync because this is 2 nanoseconds. Because this is what I'm looking like 2 nanoseconds before. Of course, this is only a more of space. But in terms of, actually Stranger Things in early season 1, to be honest, actually did a pretty good thing when they were looking for Will in the Upside Down. They actually did a pretty good theory about it, because once they got to the Upside Down, they said that space and time were different, and so approximately, the scientists added to that, about 47 light seconds away, you can no longer see light at a possible distance, and that's why the sun looks so bright from Earth. Not only because it has a lot of radiation, but it's well over 47 light seconds away. As comparatively, it's well over 8 light minutes away. But the star Proxima Centauri, which is the nearest star, the second nearest star, because the nearest is the sun, obviously, that Earth orbits around. Proxima Centauri is 4 light years away, which means that when we can't see it from the sky, but if we had a special telescope to see it, it would be what it looked like. It's currently 4.24 light years away, to be exact. So if we looked at it through a precise telescope today, we would be seeing what it looked like on December 18th, 2017, which was 4.24 years ago, which is almost 4.25 years ago, because it's 4.25 light years away. Similarly, the moon is about 1.3 light seconds away, and so we're seeing what it looked like 1.3 seconds ago. Still June 9th, 2022. Anyways, also Andromeda Galaxy is over 2.5 million light years away. So if we were to look at it through a telescope, we would be seeing what it looked like 2.5 million years ago. So when we're looking at it from a naked eye, which is most viewed from countries in South America, we would be seeing it. We'd be seeing it when we were Homo erectuses. That's what it looked like when we were Homo erectuses in real life. Well, actually, there is a lot of speculation behind this. As Vsauce said, we're living in a parallel dimension, and the cubes in worlds separate space and time, and Einstein called this space-time. There's 2 different kinds of space-time. To make a 4-shaped, up and down, and left and right. And then there's specular dimensions, which can go around, but we're not at the scale yet. But is there a 3rd dimension? Of course there is. That's how galaxies look like. But there might also be a 4th dimension. As a famous article say, according to Chuck's Astronomy and Mix, as Veritasium said, there's a mix between Chuck's Astronomy, Vsauce, and real life lore, as well as whatchamacallit. A channel from Canada, I don't know what it's called. ASAP Science. They see there might be a 4th dimension, as comparatively we only have 3, but we could have 4 because the Andromeda Galaxy is speculated. But you might be asking in the comments, bro, that's 2.5 million years ago. I'll defeat that comment by saying it's just a different 4th dimensional project and speculation, and this is not theoretical.